Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will start with session 5 of ways to multiply and divide. How many times? 976 children are going on a picnic. They will be taken in a minibuses. If 25 children can go in one bus, how many buses do they need? 2 children have solved it. Check if they have made a mistake. If yes, then correct it. Say this. 25 5s are 125. So 976 minus 125 is 851. Then 25 10s are 250. That is correct. 851 minus 250 is equals to 601. Then again 25 tens are 250. This is also correct. So 601 minus 250 is 351. Then again 25 tens are 250. 351 minus 250 is equals to 101. This is also correct. 25 4s are 100. This is also correct, but 101 minus 100, it should be 1. So this is wrong. Nil is wrong. It should be 1. Now look at the second one. 25 20s are 500. So 976 minus 500. So this is wrong over here. It should be 476. Then next 25 tens are 250. So 476 minus 250 will be 226. This is correct. Then 25 4s are 100. So instead of 4 it should be 5. So 25 5s are 125. Then it is correct. 226 minus 125 is 101. And then 25 4s are, so instead of 1 it should be 4. So 25 4s are 100. Then 101 minus 100, then remainder is 1. How much petrol? Isa has rupees 1000 with her. She wants to buy petrol. 1 liter of petrol costs rupees 47. How many liters can she buy? So money with Isha is 1000. Cost of 1 liter petrol is 47. So liters of petrol she can buy is 1000 divided by 47. That will be around 21 approximately liters. So Isha can buy 21 liters of petrol. Find out. If Isa comes to your city, how much petrol can she buy with the same money? So right now the rate of the petrol is rupees 82 per liter. So 1000 divided by 82 will equals to around 12 liter approximately. Children's Day. Children are happy today. They are celebrating Children's Day. Each child will be given 4 colored pencils from school. The school has got 969 pencils. To find out how many children can get pencils, the teacher asks them to divide. Iru's way. See, Iru has done in this way and Srini has done differently. So let us solve it in Iru's way. So complete Iru's and Srini's way of division. Write what is the answer you get. So here is the answer. 400s are 400. So 969 minus 400 equals to 569. And again 400s are 400. So 569 minus 400 will be 169. Then 440s are 160. That will be 169 minus 160 will be 9. And 4 2s are 8. So remainder is 1. So quotient is 242. 100 plus 100 plus 40 plus 2, and remainder is 1. So let us count it by Srini's way. So 200, 4 200s are 800, the remainder is 169, then again 440 is a 160, remainder is 9, and 4 2s are 8, remainder is 1. So quotient is 242, remainder is 1. Shivangi did it by a shortcut way. I learned it after a lot of practice. In this you have to remember many things. So let us do it in this way. 4 2s are 8, getting 6 down, 4 4s are 16, getting 9 down again, 4 2s are 8, and remainder is 1. So how did you start with 9, Iru? I know that I have to divide 969 with 4, but I first only look at 9. I put an arrow to remember to bring down 6. I remembered to bring down 9 and divide by 4. So now you only look at 16 divided by 4. What after that? But then you are left with 1. Yes, this is remainder. 1 pencil is left. Oh, I can't remember so many things. I will do it in my way. So you can also do it in your way, the way which you think is better, the way in which you have practiced more. Please do it in that way. Practice time. So 576 books are to be packed in boxes. In one box, 24 books. How many boxes are needed? So you have to divide 576 with 24. So 24 20s are 480, 96 is left, and 24 4s are 96. So quotient is 24, hence 24 boxes are needed. 836 people are watching a movie in a hall. If the hall has 44 rows, how many people can sit in a one row? So total number of people are 836. Total number of rows is equals to 44. Hence number of people in one row is 836 divided by 44, and that will be equal to 19. Working is also given. 44 10s are 440, 396 is left, and 44 9s are 396. So 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. So 19 people can sit in one row. A gardener bought 458 apples tree. He wants to plant 15 trees in each row. How many rows can he plant? So 458 divided by 15. How many trees would be left over? So let us find out. So total number of trees in a row is 15, hence number of rows is equal to 458 divided by 15. So 15 30s are 450, 8 is left. So here quotient is 30, remainder is 8. So 450 trees will be planted in 30 rows and 8 trees will be left. Brain teaser. Shamli bought a battery. She read on it life 2000 hours. She uses it throughout the day and the night. How many days will the battery run? So total life of battery is equals to 2000 hours. Number of hours in a day and night is equals to 24. So number of days the battery lasts is equals to 2000 divided by 24. So 24 8s are 192 and 24 80s is 1920. So 80 is left, then 24 3s are 72, 8 is left. So here quotient is 80 plus 3 83 and remainder is 8. Since 8 divided by 24 is equals to 1 by 3, so the battery will last 83 days and 1/3 of the day. More with multiplication and division. So a tank is full of 300 liters of water. How much water will be filled in 25 tanks? Next, If 15 buckets can be filled with one tank of water, how many buckets in all can be filled with water in 25 tanks? So a water in tank is 300 liter. So water in 25 tanks is equals to 300 multiplied by 25. That is equals to 7500 liters. Now water in one tank is 15 buckets. So water in 25 tanks. So 25 into 15, 375 buckets. There are 28 laddus in 1 kilogram. How many laddus will be there in 12 kilogram? So again, next question is, if 16 laddus can be packed in one box, how many boxes are needed to pack all these laddus? So let us find out. Number of laddus in 1 kilogram is 28. Hence the number of laddu in 12 kilogram. So 28 multiplied by 12, that is equals to 336 laddu. Now number of laddus in one box is equals to 16. So total number of laddus is equals to 336. Hence number of boxes needed for 336 laddus will be 336 divided by 16, that is equals to 621 boxes. 21 boxes. There are 26 rooms in a school. Each room has 4 plants. If each plant needs 2 cups of water, how much water do we need for all the plants? This is very easy question. So water needed for 4 plants is equals to 4 into 2, that is equals to 8 cups. So water needed for 26 room, that is 26 multiplied by 8, that is equals to 208 cups. Make the best story problem. Each line gives a story. You have to choose the question which makes the best story problem. The first one is already marked. So a shopkeeper has 50 boxes. There are 48 fruits in one box. Tick the one question which matches the given problem. So how much will the shopkeeper pay in all? या फिर how many fruits are there in all? How many more boxes will be needed? So B is the right choice. A and C are not right choice. See, we have to give explanation. They explain why A and C are not good choices, because B fit the best, right? See, how much will the shopkeeper pay in all? So a shopkeeper has 50 boxes and there are 48 fruits in one box. So we don't know see, there is no money involved in it, so we don't know how much shopkeeper pay. So A will not fit. Then again, how many more boxes will he needed? So this also doesn't fit better. So B is the best fit. 352 children from a school went on a camping trip. Each tent had a group of 4 children. So 3 options are given. So out of this, B is the best option. How many tents do they need? See, how many children did each tent have? It is already given that each tent had 4 children. Then again, how many children in all are in the school? That is also given. So how many tents do they need will be the best story problem. Third one, a shopkeeper has 204 eggs. He puts them in egg tray. Each tray has 12 eggs. So the best fit is C. How many egg tray does he need? The cost of one book is rupees 47. Sonu buys 23 books. So out of these 3, how much money does she have? How much money does she pay for the books? And what is the cost of 47 books? So B will be the best fit. How much money does she pay for the books? Cross check for Harisharan. Harisharan wanted to divide rupees 2456 amongst his 4 sons. He asked his eldest son to tell him how much money each one will get. Papa, each of us will get 2456 divided by 4, that is equals to rupees 624. When Haricharan started giving 624 to each son, he was left with less money for the youngest one. It seems you have made some mistake in the calculation. Let me check. Haricharan multiplied 624 with 4. He got 2496. This shows you have done the division wrong. The son did the division again. 2456 divided by 4 equals to 614. Before telling his father, he checked on his own. 614 multiplied by 4, that is equals to 2456. Now it is correct. Each one will get 614. So you also, when you divide, you can cross check your answer by multiplying it as Haricharan's son has done. So practice time. Do this division. Check your results by multiplication. This you will do it on your own in your notebook. Solve the given sum and color the answer in the grid given below. See what you find. This also you will do it on your own in your textbook. So that's all for today. If you liked the video, hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel. Thank you and have a nice day.